Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to build your very own RPG habits tracker in Notion, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform your daily routines into a fun, game-inspired quest, making habit tracking way more engaging and a lot less of a chore. Whether you want to slay bad habits or level up your morning routine, I'll walk you through setting up a system that not only looks professional, but also keeps you motivated every single day. Let's get started right away. For this tutorial, we're going to leverage the free RPG Habits Tracker template in Notion. Using a template speeds up the whole process and gives us a professional-looking setup right from the beginning, so you don't have to spend hours designing database layouts or figuring out how to link everything together. Think of it as picking out a stylish armor set before your big quest. You get to start with something that looks cool and works, then customize it to match your personality. First, open your Notion workspace. You'll notice a drop-down menu at the top left corner. Go ahead and click that. If you're new to Notion, this is where you find extra options for your pages and databases. We're looking for the Browse Templates option, which lets you discover a library of pre-made pages that cover all sorts of purposes. This step is crucial because it saves you the time and hassle of building a tracker entirely from scratch. And trust me, as someone who's done it both ways, templates make life so much easier. Once you're in the Templates section, use the search bar to type RPG Habits Tracker. Notion has a variety of templates contributed by the community, and the RPG Habits Tracker is designed to make habit tracking feel just like leveling up a character in your favorite role-playing game. You might see a few different versions, each with their own style or layout, so feel free to browse and pick one that catches your eye. This is your chance to choose an aesthetic that resonates with you. Maybe you love classic fantasy, or maybe you want something colorful and bold. When you've found a template you like, just click on it to preview how it looks and works. If it fits your vibe, click the Add button, and the template will instantly be added to your Notion workspace. This part is almost magical. All the key sections, scores, and habit lists are now ready for you, laid out in a visually appealing way that feels like a digital character sheet. Now you're ready to personalize the details. Start by adding your own credentials. Things like your daily habits, goals, or any creative quests you want to track. This is where you customize the template so it fits your life. You can rename habits to things like potion prep for morning routines or slay the laundry dragon if you want to make household chores a little more entertaining. Don't worry if this part takes a few moments. The magic is in making it genuinely yours. You can also adjust the layout, add icons, or tweak colors. Notion makes it easy for you to drag and drop, change wording, and update properties until everything looks and feels just right. The more you personalize, the more likely you are to stick with your new system. Think of it like leveling up your tracker alongside your real-life habits. And that's it. You now have an RPG-themed habits tracker that's both fun and functional, ready to help you conquer your daily goals with a smile. If you got stuck anywhere or want tips on customizing it further, let me know in the comments. If you found this walkthrough useful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that make productivity playful and practical. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!